Good morning! This bee really wanted to join our breakfast and didn't quite take the hint that we wanted to eat alone. Today is our last full day in Corsica, but no time to get sad yet. After breakfast we drove to a nearby parking area from where we started walking along the trail. There would have been a nice beach right next to where we left the car, but we wanted to go for a little hike and seek for a place further away to take a swim. We had only walked 1 kilometer when we reached this spot. This trail would continue further away along the shore, but today we felt like this was already enough walking and it would be a good time for a refreshing swim. This trail offers great views over the Gulf of Saint-Florent. While walking back to the car, we noticed all these other spots along the trail that would be perfect for swimming. Maybe next time. We drove back to the hotel and had a quick stop at our room before heading back out for a lunch. we headed along a familiar route towards the beach. This time we wanted to continue a little bit further from the main beach and see if there would be something interesting. Next to the parking area there was a trail that continued along the shore. We were not sure if this was any official route. The trail changed after a while and was really hard to walk, so we didn't continue that far and decided to take a swim instead. After a while we headed back to the main beach. We walked in the water instead of the trail. We just had to be a little bit more careful so we wouldn't hit our toes on small rocks. But the closer we got to the beach, the less rocks there were and just smooth sand to walk on. Back at the hotel room, we already started to pack our things for tomorrow's trip back home. After getting most of our clothes and stuff ready, we headed out for the last dinner in Saint-Florent. and our last ice cream while admiring the sunset. We are definitely going to miss these views. Unfortunately, these days can't last forever. It was our time to head back to the hotel and finish packing for tomorrow. Thank you so much for watching, like the video and subscribe. See ya!